Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're the owner of a Ninebot F2 Pro or F2 Plus, you probably know it's capped at a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour due to the default region settings. But what if I told you there's a way to unlock its full potential and push that speed up to 32 kilometers per hour? In today's video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to make it happen. So stick with me till the end to learn how to boost your Ninebot speed. To get started, here's what you'll need: your Ninebot scooter, an Android phone with the Ninebot app, and the XiaoDash app installed. I'm not entirely sure if the XiaoDash app is available for iPhones, so we'll be using an Android device for this tutorial. Let's jump into the process. First, open the Ninebot app on your phone. You'll see your scooter's current serial number displayed here. On mine, it's showing J. To unlock a higher speed, we'll need to modify this serial number. But before making any changes, make sure to take a screenshot or write down the default serial number as a backup. Next, we need to remove the scooter from the Ninebot app. Go to the settings and select the option to unbind your scooter. You'll be prompted to verify your email or phone number and receive a code. Enter the code in the app, and your scooter will be successfully unbound. Now we're ready for the next step. Open the XiaoDash app on your Android phone and make sure your scooter is powered on. Connect to your scooter via the app. You may be asked to press the power button on the scooter to complete the connection. Just follow the on-screen prompts. Once connected, you'll notice the XiaoDash app offers a lot of features beyond just unlocking speed. Feel free to explore those later, but for now, our goal is to increase the speed to 32 kilometers per hour. In the custom settings, find your serial number and replace the J with an S. After making this change, hit OK to save it. You'll hear a beep from your scooter, signaling that the change has been applied. That's the sound of your scooter gearing up for its new top speed. Now that the modification is done, close the XiaoDash app and reopen the Ninebot app. Reconnect your scooter. Once it's bound to the app again, you'll notice the serial number has been updated, and you'll also have access to new features like cruise control and starting speed adjustments. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more scooter tips and hacks. Ride safe, and see you in the next one.